Oh, okay. Starting a new clip, hopefully. It does make a sound when you start it up, so unfortunately I probably didn't get that clip before. Pulling over because there's a car behind me, and then I can go at a nice 35 kilometers an hour. I don't know. Probably another appropriate sign to stop at. So we'll see how it's going. So I don't know. I'm thinking of putting a slit in the side of the beanie so I can put my little viewer out so I can see whether it's going or not. It's just a thought, anyway. Whoa! I'm probably going to have to reset. I just thought the well, there's a cape. I'm assuming it's actually filming, but I just thought that was just too good over there on the side of the road there. You'd love that. But there you go, and of course you're missing out all this stuff out here. That's what you're missing. So I really need something I can have a little remote control thing on a turntable so I can press it and it just turns slowly left and slowly right, and you pick up all this, and that looks interesting because that's got to run down somewhere, hasn't it? Any water across there, and you can see some moss growing on the surface there. You never know, there might be some grids out there later on in the season. You never know. There's certainly all that swampy vegetation, nut grass and stuff. Anyway, I'll just check that this is running, and I've got a little bit of blue tack over once, but yes, we are running, so you did get that. Okay, we'll start a new clip then. So maybe that's the way I'll do it. I'll start it, put it in the beanie, put it on the put it on the car, and then at least we know we are actually getting footage in the camera. Okay, over and out for now.